Hi dolls, Teshiamonique here, and I am back today with a really exciting video for you dolls. Now it has been a very long time, and I know that this video is long overdue because I actually got these shoes. From the title you can tell I've got these shoes a long time ago, and these are the exquisite, beautiful So Kate by Christian Louboutin, and I am so excited to be finally reviewing these shoes for you dolls. Now it took me a while because I had the high hopes that I would eventually end up wearing these gorgeous shoes. As you guys know, if you've been following me for a while, I have worn these shoes but only one time, you guys, and I have had these shoes coming up on close to 7 years now. I've had them for a long time, and so that's why I wanted to review them for you dolls today, just to let you know if you're thinking about expanding your designer luxury collection, or if you're thinking about owning these beautiful shoes, just some of the cons, the pros and cons for them, and just some recommendations that I have found from owning these shoes. So I wanted to just share with you dolls these gorgeous shoes. So this is sort of an unboxing, a review, and then just a is it worth it for these shoes type video. Now these again are the Christian Louboutins, and this is the So Kate. This is the highest shoe height that Christian Louboutin makes in terms of a shoe that you can actually wear and that is functional. This is a 120 millimeter shoe height. It has a very sharp pitch on it, as you dolls will see, and it's just a really beautiful, sexy shoe. This is why I got this shoe, because I feel like it's just a really sexy shoe. Of course, you guys know the staple box, and I'm gonna pose a little bit just to get a thumbnail. But this is the box that came in. These are from Saks. These are from Saks Fifth Avenue. So I did have a chance to try them on before I purchased them, and still I purchased them knowing that these shoes are sky high in terms of the heel height and the wearability and function of them. I was a lot younger when I purchased these shoes. I was a new mom, so I was able to purchase the shoes, walk around in them comfortably in the store, and still decided to make this purchase. Now these shoes, like I said, are the So Kate. These are, of course, the black patent leather is what I got, and I just will go ahead and show you dolls how they look. So again, here's the box. My size is a 40. It doesn't have the price on there. I can't remember how much they were, but I think they were a little over $1,000 for these. And again, these are in the patent leather. So once you get the shoe, of course, you're gonna unbox it, open it up. It's got some tissue paper in the inside, and then you take the paper off, and this is how it looks. And as you guys can see, these are essentially brand spanking new, with the exception of one wear. I actually wore these to dinner after I got them for Valentine's Day, with being dropped off at the door as far as valeting. I did valet, walked straight into the restaurant, sat down at the table, got up, walked back out to the valet, and it was the most painful version of wearing a shoe that I've ever had. Even during wearing them, I had to take them off underneath the table to make it functional for me, so I didn't get up to go to the restroom or anything like that. But I did practice in them. You know, a lot of the videos at the time were saying to practice in the shoes, wear them a little bit, get comfortable with them. But for me, it just did not work out that way, for sure. If you dolls are new here, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. I love to talk about luxury items. This is how the shoes look on the inside. Very classic, very chic and elegant, which we all know is a staple of the Christian Louboutin brand. You're going to get a red, gorgeous red dust bag with these shoes, and you can fit 2 pairs in, which is excellent for travel or just for storage in general, because you don't want your shoes to get dusty. And then you're also going to get, before we get to the actual shoes, you're also going to get a little small bag, which is going to have your extra taps, your shoe taps in there. It's a pair, so there's 2 in there, which is really handy in case you needed to replace due to wear and tear. Usual wear the taps on the bottoms of your shoes. So then you're going to get into these gorgeous shoes here, and this is how they look boxed or brand spanking new, essentially, because they are. And I'm going to go ahead and just take one out, or take them out. And this is how these gorgeous beauties look. Very, very elegant, very sexy, and very glam. Also very classy. These are great for dates. These are great for your night on the town. These are also great for work if you're able to really walk in these shoes. Like I said, the shoe height on these is 120 millimeters. So these are a very high heel, but the main thing about these shoes is the pitch of the shoe, because even though there's the height, I mean, you can get a Pagal, which is another staple Christian Louboutin shoe in a classic. The fact is that on these, the pitch is what makes them a little bit on the killer side, because as you can see, you are essentially walking just on your tippy toes when you are wearing these gorgeous shoes. These shoes do have a really high pitch, which they are known for, which do take some getting used to, but if you can master it, they are a really sexy, beautiful shoe to wear for sure. So it's got a really nice clearance for the toe box here. So you do get some really nice shoe or toe cleavage on the fronts of these, which are really sexy. It's got the classic name there. Okay, and then it also has Paris on there, which is very signature and custom for the Louboutins. And then you see that these are the patent leather, are just a really sexy shoe. And so that is mainly why I got them. And if you're someone who's able to practice, you're really good with heels, which I typically am, but I mean, this shoe is known to be very difficult to walk in or to wear, not meant for long term, not meant for like long nights out or anything like that. This is kind of a get in them, get out of them type shoe. Like if you are looking just for something sexy, like for after hours or for the bedroom, and you want to put these on with your lingerie, that sort of thing, these are great. But if you can practice and get the walk, if you can walk that walk, honey, then these will be the ones for you, because they really do give. They are super sexy, and a lot of people are able to wear these shoes like to work, out on the town and dates and just around, like really go in them. And I thought that was going to be me. I thought that I was going to be that type of a girl that was going to be really giving in these shoes, but I just was not able to do it. And so this is the bottom. These are the bottoms. It's the signature red bottoms that Christian Louboutin is synonymous for. As you can see, there is very minimal wear on these shoes. There's just a few little spots on them, but nothing significant at all. I mean, you can tell that they've been worn. My pair are in very great, immaculate, almost brand new condition. The red will wear off. They do have protectors that you can put on there. Some people choose to spray them and keep to maintain the red, or to repaint them red. But I think that, at least in my opinion, the red wearing is part of the experience of the Christian Louboutin shoe. And so you should expect that they are gonna take some damage on the bottom, or the red is gonna come off as you're wearing it. But that is okay, that's to be expected. You can also buy things for the shoes to make them a little more comfortable, like little shoe inserts here. These are just regular inserts that you can buy just to make the pad a little bit softer on the foot. And then you are able to finesse these shoes. These are definitely a classic, definitely a staple item if you are looking to purchase a Christian Louboutin shoe. They go with everything. You can wear these with jeans, you can dress them up or dress them down, great with dresses, etc. And I didn't see any damage or a lot of wear and tear on the patent leather at all. But like I said, I've only worn mine once. So I think that they're great, that you should still give them a try if you're looking to purchase the shoe. Go into the store, try them on, really have the experience in the boutique if you're able to, versus ordering them online. That way you can try them on. It's recommended to size up. So like these are a size 40. I could have stepped up a size or a size and a half, but when I tried them on, they were fine, they were comfortable, so I didn't opt to size up. But it is recommended to do a size up or a half size or a size and a half, just depending on if you have swelling like while you're wearing them, or you know, anything like that, because these shoes do not give. Even though it's a patent leather, they are very firm in terms of how they feel. They're very structured, and they're not expected to give. If you're thinking like, oh, they'll stretch out or anything like that, they're not. So you want to size up if you have the option. I don't recommend these if you're looking for, like I said, just something that's very functional, unless you are very well versed in wearing a shoe of this height and this pitch, for sure, because there are other options. The Pagall, for example, is 120 millimeter height, just like these, but they're gonna be less pitchy, which means that that arch there, that high arch that you're seeing, you're not gonna have that with a Pagall. Okay, there it is. It's gonna be a little less arched, as you can see the structure here. Okay, but I love these shoes. They're very gorgeous, super sexy, like I said, and I'm definitely gonna try to give them another try. I know that Christian Louboutins are classic, they're timeless, they're very elegant, so they're not gonna go out of style. And like I said, this is a great one for your collection, beginner, new or old, to have. And I really love these, I really do, and I recommend them. I love having them. But it just depends. I would say to make sure you can try them on to see if they're gonna be a comfort level that is doable for you, or if it's something that you're gonna want to purchase. So definitely try to do that. I hope that this review has been helpful for you as you are embarking upon your Christian Louboutin journey, or if you're just looking to find an additional staple pair of classic shoes for your collection, a luxe classic pair of hot heels. Hot. I get so many compliments on them because they're just a really sexy shoe. Even when I wore them out, it was just like, wow, those are gorgeous, gorgeous shoes. So it's really, really complimentary for you to have. So definitely try it out. Go try them on in the boutique. See what you think about them. Sip some champagne. Christian Louboutin is a really nice experience. So go feel the vibes and see if these are the shoes for you, dolls. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Be sure to subscribe if you're new, and be sure to like, give this video a thumbs up, and I'll talk to you guys in the next one. Bye.